Guys, welcome to another episode of Building a Custom Made Home. This is day two, and as you can see right now, that they're starting to do a demolition process. You have this bobcat that is um, demolishing all this property. This is still intact from yesterday, and as you can see right now, that they're almost halfway done through. If you come to the front here, as you can see, as painful as it looks, being a $1 million home like this being a demolished, because this is still a fairly um, a functional home for an average people, and uh, being a $1 million home being demolished like this is so painful to watch. But there's a reason why we are doing this, and and uh, and yeah, this is day two right now of what we're doing. It by the end of the day today, this should be done, and I will update you guys of tomorrow.